Welcome to Mastering Composition, a comprehensive guide on creating visually captivating images through effective composition techniques. Composition is the art of arranging elements within a frame to create a visually pleasing and impactful image. It is the foundation of great photography. The rule of thirds is a fundamental composition technique. By placing points of interest along the intersecting lines, you can create a balanced and visually engaging image. Leading lines are powerful tools for guiding the viewer's eye through the image. They create a sense of depth and add visual interest to your composition. Symmetry and balance can create a sense of harmony in your images. By finding and utilizing symmetrical elements, you can create visually pleasing compositions. The use of foreground and background elements adds depth and dimension to your composition. It helps to emphasize the main subject and create a more engaging image. Now that you have learned the key composition techniques, it's time to put them into practice. Start mastering composition and create visually captivating images.